Hi guys, today we're gonna find a shell. Come on. We need to find a shell. Look at this shell, guys.
What's that?
A shell.
Oh,
Let me put.
that's a shell?
Yeah. Maybe.
Look lang sa tingnan.
Look at this shell.
Oh, is that a shell?
Yeah. Let's find more shell, guys. Oh,
Another shell. Maybe you can find there. There.
okay. I know where's a shell is.
Let's go.
A tiny shell. Look at, it's a tiny shell.
Wow. You can call mom.
No, there's many here. Another shell. Oops. Another shell. So
Oh, that's
tiny.
a shell?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a small one.
Yeah. I got another shell.
No, that's not shell. That's a stone.
Wait, look at a shell.
That's a shell. That's not a shell. That's a stone.
This is a shell. Look, it's many holes.
How about let's get your toy shell na. You find under the, let's pretend under the sun. You get that, your toys. Oh, come
Hi guys, today we're gonna find a crab and a turtle.
Who is with you?
And a pizza.
Yes, go. Find a shell. Come on. Maybe under the sun. You find under the sun. Maybe under the stone.
Maybe here. I found a turtle.
Whoa. Whoa.
Maybe it's just find more. A pizza.
Oh, that's a pizza? Oh.
Maybe there's something here.
Pero nga yung mic lang.
Wait, look.
Oh, what's that?
A crab.
Oh.
A crab. Now let's find a shell.
Okay.
I have an idea. Come. Wait, I saw something.
What's that?
No, I just. Come, I have an idea. I can use this to dig.
What are you going to do that?
I'm gonna look for shells. Daddy, put the camera down.
Okay. A castle with your mom.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Come on.
Okay, come on.
You want to make a castle, son?
I will make a turtle.
Go, let's go.
Maybe here.
And then
Get a sand.
put in the bucket.
Put in the bucket, and we're gonna put it here. Guys, did you went to the beach before? Like and subscribe. Okay, that's enough. Wait, no. Okay. Wait, we need to put it there. Wow! That's so nice. I have an idea. Come. Mom, you bantay the sand here. Let's collect some shells to put our sand. We have some shells here, so let's bring it there. A sand castle? Okay. Ah, did you? I brought some shells to put this here. Let's do this here and some. Here, look at this shell. Purple shell. a butterfly shell.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's so tiny.
Let me make sure if I hear the ocean of this.
Oh.
I can hear it.
Whoa.
And this is the biggest shell.
Wow, the biggest shell you found.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys,